Hi everyone! This video will go over the key terms for Chapter 18, which is about technology in the workplace. In Section 1, we will be looking at information technology. Okay, so information technology, or IT, uses computing, electronics, and telecommunications to process and distribute information in digital and other forms. Telecommunications is the transmission of information over communication lines. Telecommunicating is an arrangement that allows employees to work at home while communicating with the workplace by phone, fax, or modem. A wearable computer is a small, portable computer designed to be used while it is worn on the body. Computer-aided design, or CAD, is software for designing products with a computer. And virtual reality is an artificial, three-dimensional visual world created by a computer. Alright, now we're going to be moving on to Section 2, which is about Internet basics. Alright, so the Internet is a global computer network. The World Wide Web, or simply the web, is a system for accessing, changing, and downloading a large set of hypertext linked documents and other files located on computers connected through the Internet. A web browser is a program used for displaying and viewing pages on the web. A search engine is a computer program that can produce a list of documents related to a given topic. An intranet is a computer network used by an organization. An extranet is an extension of the intranet of a company or organization. A hacker is a person who illegally gains access to and sometimes tampers with information in a computer system. Cookies are bits of information about a computer user that are stored on that computer's hard drive. And a computer virus is a program that can insert copies of itself into a computer without the user's knowledge, often damaging stored data. Okay, so those are the key terms for Chapter 18. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.